Hi guys, Correspondent 2.0 and welcome back to another unboxing video. Now we got this one plus another one to take care of, so there's two of them here. And we'll be unboxing this one right here. We have 1976, it's Kenworth. That's T600 over here. And on this one, it's actually built for racing. And because it has race logos all over it. And it has race wheels. And there's a Goodyear tires is on it. And so yeah, these guys here are actually built for racing. And now I should know a few things about it. The real Kenworth T600s, they use a big EX13 engine. But they're very powerful. 510 horsepower to be exact. They need all that horsepower to carry heavy loads across countries. Like the United States, for example. I have seen these on the road. Well, sometimes. But you guys know what these trucks are, though. So for this time, we're going to be unboxing this one and get a closer look at this beautiful looking Kenworth. Now, before we get to it, though, this one's actually from an older series. This one's from the old race truck series. This is number 2 of 4. There are 3 others that is from this set. Now we'll take a look at the rear, though. So here's the back of the card. It says there's also a 56 plus-seater Nissan truck and Dodge Ram 1500. Those are the part of the series. It's hope you have find it on eBay. Now here's this part right here. Well, how we used to do this a long time ago. Not anymore though. Oh. And you see the collection number? 381. Oh, and there's something else here. What? Look at this. The rear engine of Mongoose is sold in 1972 and continues to increase in value with a current collector and worth over 100 times in original value. Oh, that's something else though. I didn't know that. But we are going to be unboxing this truck anyway and get a closer look at it. So, here we go. Got it out there. Now we just need to put the card aside. There we go. The truck itself is now out there. So let's go take a look. Now it is set and it has Kenworth wheels, which it does. You can see the Kenworth right here. And there's a brand Kenworth right there on the side. There's no other Hot Wheels badge right there. A lot of manufacturer companies sponsor this truck. Now for the back part right here, normally these trucks have trailers, but this one does not. That's why it is built for racing. Now take a look on the metal itself. It's all chrome. And with a special paint job. Little flakes. It makes the truck very shiny. Oh yeah, let's take a look up here. Kenworth again, and the brand itself is right there. Here's the grill for these T600s. That one gives their character. And for the chassis itself, it's all red. But this is a beautiful looking Kenworth, and I'm glad I got a chance to get on this one. Now I do heard that this one is quite fast. I got to find that out myself. Soon. Anyway guys, one more unboxing video to go. See you guys in the next one. Bye bye.